This is REALME 14x, and today I'll show how you can copy your contacts from SIM card to the device storage. So at the start, you will need to find and launch the Contacts app. As you can see on my SIM card, I have a bunch of contacts, while my device storage also has a lot of them. So first let me erase those contacts real quick from storage. Yep. Now, if you would like to move your contacts from SIM to device, open the Organize section, then select Export to File. Now select your SIM card and press Export. Save the file somewhere on your device, and after the file is saved, select Import from File. Now pick your storage or device storage, select the backup file, and the deed is done. As you can see, I have all the same contacts on my device storage now as I do on the SIM card. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.